Hello everyone. Are you a DSC token user? Are you facing problems while uploading PDFs in eSANCHIT page? Are you using nCodePKI or any other PDF signing tool? Then this video is for you. xorkeesign India G2C browser extension eliminates these problems for you. In this video, we will explain a simple way of signing and uploading PDF in the eSANCHIT page without the need for Java or other token drivers. You will only need to do two simple one-time steps. Add xorkeesign India G2C extension to your browser. It works on all browsers and operating systems. You can add the extension from Odyssey's download page or from the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add Extension. This takes you to Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. The first step is done. Next, you need to register your DSC in xorkee. Click on the Download button. Connect your DSC token to your PC and complete the registration process. We have now completed both the steps and are ready to start using DSC token in the ICEGATE portal. Follow the usual steps in the portal until the PDF upload page. Select the unsigned PDF that you want to upload. Click on Upload. Ensure your DSC token is connected to your PC. In the pop-up that appears, enter your xorkee handle and click Proceed. You will now get a signature request in xorkee app. Approve the notification and enter the DSC token password. Click Submit. You have successfully signed and uploaded the PDF using xorkeesign India G2C browser extension. This extension also helps you register or upload your DSC in ICEGATE portal. Not only that, with the same extension, you can sign using your DSC in many other Government of India portals.